must be the refrigerator repairman.
We're here to repair your old refrigerator.
Come in. Here it is. This is the list of everything that's wrong with my refrigerator.
We better get started.
Aha! There's no door on this fridge.
That is a problem. There's no door.
What kind of repairman did they send me? You guys are on the wrong side of the fridge.
Look, boss, I think we got it working. Never mind. The fridge needs to be closer to the wall.
You're smashing me.
Well, I see the problem. It wasn't plugged in.
The water is not freezing in the ice cube tray. Try giving it a good shake. Look what you did. You broke it. The door isn't closing properly. Look what you did. You broke it. The fridge is shaking when I open the door.
Oh, that side over there is the problem. I'm gonna go get a saw. Which side was it again? Oh well.
Look what you did. You broke it.
Well, it's finished.
Let me check this. Oh, they broke my refrigerator. It's ruined. I'll just have to fix it myself.